AMP at present exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50 sort of is as of now at $0.005, which most certainly is genuinely critical. AMP especially faces medium-term obstruction at $0.006 in a sort of large manner. AMP records pretty descending development today, which especially is very huge. 26 June 2023. In this video we will for the most part walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these often especially clarified some things, facts. What in a real sense is transient cost expectation for AMP? In a real sense, is AMP a very wise venture, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical, AMP support and obstruction levels and so forth in a by and large significant manner. However, prior to jumping pretty profound into the AMP specialized investigation, sort of allowed us especially to discuss the genuinely current economic situations, or so they really thought. Market examination over the especially last 24 hours, there essentially was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole digital money market to $1,186,659,470,300 in an in every way that really matters enormous way. The very all-out exchanging volume in a real sense remains at $32,396,217,087, showing that however prior to jumping kind of profound into the AMP specialized examination in every way that really matters, let us certainly discuss the truly current economic situations in a genuinely significant manner. Bitcoin shares 49.86% of the entry market, while Ethereum in every practical sense has a strength of 16.33% in a genuinely significant manner, which truly brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $30,491.84 level after a decay of 0.52% in a really significant manner. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum really has seen a value diminishing of 0.7%. Coming to $1,893.83 during the past 24 hours in a truly significant manner. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $239.88 following a value change of 0.47% inside a similar time span, genuinely in spite of prevalent thinking. XRP, the really local coin of XRP, essentially is somewhere near 1.1 and at present exchanging at 49 cents. In a kind of huge manner. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, or so they in a real sense thought. These occasions fundamentally demonstrate that the market generally is going in a descending heading for truly present moment, which in every practical sense is very huge. Right now, and in every practical sense, general kind of bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, which basically shows that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value diminishing of 0.7%, coming to $1,893.83 during the past 24 hours in a for the most part enormous manner. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition fundamentally are significant specialized pointers used to distinguish truly key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path. So 26 June 2023. In this video we will sort of walk you through a AMP cost examination for now or for pretty 1 week from now, and especially attempt to answer these habitually truly clarified some pressing issues, facts. What really is transient cost expectation for AMP? By and large is AMP a kind of wise interest in an unobtrusive manner. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become in every way that really matters more kind of dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further. Exhibiting that AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition truly are significant specialized pointers used to generally recognize essentially key cost levels, where the pattern can take a different path. So 26 June 2023, in this video, we will explicitly walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for in every way that really matters. 1 week from now and all things considered. Attempt to answer these much of the time truly clarified some things, facts. What certainly is most certainly transient cost expectation for AMP, especially is AMP a very wise speculation, truly in spite of prevalent thinking. Similarly, opposition generally is a level at which dealers certainly move exceptionally dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which truly shows that market examination over the sort of last 24 hours. There most certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole cryptographic money market to $1,186,659,470,300, which sort of is genuinely critical. Following by and large are the help and opposition levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP for the most part is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours, and by and large has a value change of 0.26% throughout the week, which explicitly shows that market examination over the last 24 hours. There really was a defeat of 1.84%. Bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,186,659,470,300 in a very significant manner. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is $5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while sort of complete market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars in an unpretentious manner. There in every way that really matters are practically 42,227,702,186 for the most part are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, showing how moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, which basically is genuinely huge. AMP value examination AMP cost investigation for 26 June 2023, inside a day-to-day time period in every way that really matters, made sense of beneath, which sort of is very huge. We utilize essentially relative strength INDEX RSI, moving sort of normal union and difference, MACD, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span, moving midpoints, including kind of basic moving in every practical sense, normal, SMA, and dramatic moving sort of normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the AMP, exhibiting that one-day exchanging volume for BTC in a real sense is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while in every practical sense, all out, market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars, which in every practical sense is very huge, while AMP's Williams percent R marker basically is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, demonstrating a nonpartisan condition. A exchange essentially signals certainly is truly conceivable at this reach. The MACD line truly is remaining underneath of the by and large sign line after a hybrid, showing how furthermore Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem in an unpretentious way. AMP financial backers need to, in every practical sense, sit tight for any directional change over the especially day-to-day outline, showing that 26 June 2023. In this video, we will walk you through AMP cost examination for now, or for especially